time, some happened. During your time, some happened.
Are you saying it's a project? I'm here shortcutting. I'm with me.
Don't get the argument twisted, Kofi.
Okay.
Follow it very well.
Akoma FM.
Aban here redesigning, and I'm saying.
Menkasa Aban here redesigning. Menkasa Aban, please don't misquote me.
Playback.
Menkasa Aban here redesigning. Kofi, I'm say.
Please. Let's have a civilized discussion.
Let's
have a civilized discussion. Kofi.
1996.
Can we have a civilized discussion?
But one after the other. I mean too.
Me say, what's the man can say? Yeah, ache. Baby wa na say.
Yeah.
But yes, I know. And I will say, baby, we into compensation man go for and I'm saying that you don't do that. After
I never said
shortcutting.
You
don't do that because these are things that you do. These are preparatory work.
Okay.
You do this before you do shortcutting. By the time you come to shortcutting, your contractor is ready for execution of project. It is 2 years down the line.
Okay.
Yakati sort. Yakoti amount of money. Yadi air. Now contractor ni ready. Why are we not having the project?
Okay. Thank you on that. Zuba, Mama, you move to our security. Very important. About 6 police officers involved in robbery. And then not just robbery, billion van robbery. You could be no man as a police force in a gun battle. 2 of them.
Akoma FM.
In security, who is watching the watchman?
Kofi, me say asema ba yi so hwe so far no am so monitor report no bia. For asema ba ho from ya de ba kon na eya. Ba won say Kofi ma me starting free ekwan fa so ya recruit ebe security. Ghana police da bia no mu kasa na so tie wo mo ben wo mo say professional policing and as a modern policing, community policing. In fact, they use that. These are some of the terms they use: community policing, professional policing, and many other. First and foremost, we have a problem with say yes, you the height and the police.
Akoma FM.
Problem with it. Say your police, say your military, any security. Height shouldn't come in at all. The entire memo was and say if you are talking about the modern intelligence and the police there. Why are you using height? And for instance, if the person is so sharp, is so just we're very intelligent, not seven predators, we need height there. My fanana, and only one. And the 2, community policing. We share the history of policing in Ghana, and I say we are Biana. Once those days are not police for what's not barracks, no. Now because of some no you need
Akoma FM.
You communicate it. You at any time biana your board don't kwan no me na ba asam but near you so. Me I'm always with the opinion say at least the police should live in some of the communities. At least they should be part of it. Because Kofi I hardly say bia fan say police any eti area bia. Fine, menkasa kromfo ntimi nko ene bara so kromfo ko but at the rate here ebia robbery be koso ho no very low. Enti eno ya de ba ko say Ghana Police Ministry of Interior and sa those the security couples no omo hwe ni ye say it's about time I was police for and as national security sa BNI no sa kromfo no yetimo mo tra your communities but we the obon say bia barracks na omo nyina ate ho enna the politicization of recruitment. Any MPP nkuna nya NDC nko ban bia from tete besine it seems aban bia no ba or person of fan nkrofo ana say ekwan obefa so obefa no enya dia sabe mpre enti yen hyeda interrogate enipa no yen hwe ne background Kofi 2003 me ma me ko BNI enti mo ebe ko file document in fact document it took us 3 days
to fail
wow na Kofi Bibia you provided all the informations on the documents. The name you say be documents no your church information keke. It one time me wo na me nana e we krom osumo abofo so me ka se asomo abofo en 2003 na mobile phone enya common and oba say boni be na makwa akoye na so me na ma ye boni be me nya boni bia and wo say enipa fira ban mu aba be busebusa me ho nsem ewe ne ho because me bo me hometown me the house number we chrome ehyiemu and me bo me na FM popular name na say popular area omo koya ko busa amase efi ne ho Manko na wo a regional accountant or Western region. Southern internal revenue GRA. Me wo ha no frɛ me. Fred na wo ye bibi sa na sa wo de me din hye bibi sa ya frɛ me bɔ mama ne because BNI for aba national security for aba abebu sebusa wase. Wa dan for kwame to ahene. Southern na capital radio.
Oh, okay.
Until one friend me go na me ni free radio mercury aba. It me den ye reference point. It me ne wo ho in fact and crowd the national security o be see o be na me wo reception see and o busa so mo hwe kwame to ahene.
No munim
me.
Okay.
And me kire no mo koye no mo ne kwatena dua bia se.
Onso na nim se o mo ye.
Onso nim se national security. And o mo ni din command. O mo koye kire no obusa am was Fred. Uhu wo mo mba na me se. Me hu wo me kra am director. Was say ni. And no San Francisco for me call primary school ke o Methodist. O mo ko ho. De me ka akwakwasie nyina ne se. Me nim se nay no ye for bi security. On say biena se for biena wo military training wo police training ko mo ko estuary ne. Sa o mo training no se ne sa no mo ye no dia. Yeah. Ye fa police ya.
Ye nyina ya amfa.
Oh no, o mo fa ba sambe no. O mo fa wie na no o mo chemu batches. First batch ko training. Second batch and third batch. Third batch na me admission Eko University. Na me je akire die.
Oh, okay.
E tinya sa ka me ko ye. Jamaica nyina ko se Kofi. Square first one your security. Say your police because police for no. Ura police mo awa abontra because police na ba akopo. Ura mo there are so many departments.
Yeah.
CID for SWAT way you obu why police throughout and laughter won share uniform that.
Yeah.
CID for no. But a kwan first one ye fa no. E ye kwan asabe to me omo nya background checks ye. That's what I know. No, that's no, and I think that's the fact. Because police. For instance, o fill it form online, and now online abey. O fill it form online we are. Kofi na omo efrem na mo go through the process. Omo your body selection. Yes, we tia we won't qualify. Yes, we say ye probi or born say na Kofi. Ye you obi na ko genuine because say ye onwuma bi wo ha obu a for instance police no nya de obi wo ha originally no Kofi. Se wo busa no pa senka wo bia wo de bank adwuma to na the police ato an ko be bia ko be fa bank ba e bia due to some circumstances adwuma nti and e bia wo akope it would say originally no enya na koma enti sa niema ni nyina ya niema ya fa wie na go to the body selection process now wie yes medicals even to some extent crofot etu way out na omu wie a kofi minim unless say bia police ni penny bi tie na obefre na stand to be corrected no waka chem say ya fam wie no yes san come background ekoye sa checks ni nyina because Kofi this is not the first time I hear say police ni bi am robber. There are so many occasions yeah say police ni bi was involved in armed robbery.
6 policemen in robbery billion van.
There are so many of them because of obodini yes we hu no Addai yemu say AK-47 and no na meka me name wife di nko na meka jense AK-47 Ghana obia ni ho a wo na wo so ton tuo sa den obia no ye mo alliance ade kra AK-47 but ubetimi hu si ya chan robbers bi na oyusu AK-47 eye den wonya ye ana na wife so cite example one so ma me instance bi a police ni bi a mo osua area no motie na ma me bi a no ton niema ni kunu na we police any kunu no so na provide anrobbers as one can dey ache or provide anrobbers.
Akoma FM.
You see, these are some of the things that koso.
Okay.
It is answer me koso me no Kofi enya nura anasa enya na no pe na ya say police for sabi some of them are involved in this act. Aya dia koso. Sa niema we say no ntan tin wo military mu papa. Minim say military for no also mu dwuma die no nhyɛ dam fam en kama ni pam. Police for the no na te dada anti omo de enu omo ye nanfo on tante e wo military mu because military no for em so omo recruitment no a different a bit from it's about time it was a national security in fact police recruitment no it was a national security issue it was a national security na nkasa get involved in police recruitment ye fa wi a say ya fa Kofi Asante ni kwa say police for the mom kwa checks or say another security agency even say take say yamper private institution or no be in charge of that no mon check our backgrounds no because imagine say me twan tro bi e wo me form sa me feel yeso a Kofi, can you coach me?
Okay.
These are some of the things I was a Ghana police is about time.
Zuba, Mamichu, you've been the head of the security before. And who is watching the watchman?
Akoma FM.
I'm robberies. Involving police officers. Question I may be saying, yeah, then you be draw. First and foremost, my member police administration and the IGP Abaso. Say issue is very thorny, but almost they haven't swept it under the carpet. I try as much as possible to keep the public aware.